Hi, Marcus here, curator at RHS Bridgewater. We're opening and we're so excited. There's been so much activity around site getting us to this point, putting in fencing, putting up signs, getting everything polished and ready for the big day which has finally arrived. The team are all super excited to welcome people into this magnificent garden. The Bridgewater project started in the summer of 2017. This space that we're stood in now was derelict. The walls were tumbling down. Now, after all of the hard work that's been put in by an absolute army of volunteers who've been through this site, we're in the Paradise Garden and it lives up to its name. It feels like paradise. It's a testament to the hard work that everyone's put into this site, that we're at the point now that we can share this space with you. So Bridgewater, right from the outset, always wanted to make a big impact in terms of local communities, local employment, and we've built a series of community gardens. We've built a wellbeing garden, a community grow garden, a learning garden, allowing local people to really come together, collaborate, learn in an inspirational setting.
It's where the community engage with horticulture directly. All different kinds of ages, different communities, different backgrounds coming in and using that.
It's really groundbreaking for the RHS to have something like this that is so central to one of their show gardens. I mean, it's amazing. What an opportunity for people just to come and be involved, be influenced by that.
I think it's fantastic that the RHS have decided to make the community areas like the learning garden, the wellbeing garden and the community grow plots right at the forefront. Anybody can come and look around this garden and enjoy it, which is going to be fantastic.
So there's no better place to talk about sustainability at Bridgewater than in this amazing woodlands that we've got. Things like our friend, the Ent, up on the hillside here. The sinews that you can see on Treebeard, as the team are calling him, are made out of the highly invasive Rhododendron ponticum. We had a responsibility, an environmental responsibility, to remove this invasive non-native plant. Tables and benches that we've peppered through the garden. The play area that we've created, it integrates itself gently into the woodlands, made from materials that have been gathered on site. And there's no better place to stand and talk about biodiversity at Bridgewater than here. And we really want to ensure that the bird life on site that we've inherited here continues to flourish, whilst at the same time creating a magnificent horticultural display that's really important in the way that we evolve the spirit of this place.
I'm glad that we're nearly open because it feels a long time coming. All horticulturalists will say is there's always something else, I just want to do this, I just need to do this, but that's for the rest of our lives to do rather than right now.
Over the next few years, we'll really see how children interact with this space and enjoy this space. But we'll also grow and develop with that.
Of course, the skies at Bridgewater are huge, so you can really feel that sense of space, and the colours are very clear and crisp at this time of year.
After 4 years and so much hard work, we're finally looking forward to opening this garden, the RHS's 5th garden in the UK. For us here in the Northwest, it's a really important part of the community that we're establishing here, this wonderful green space that's going to be available for people to come and visit for many years ahead.
The amount of people who's going to reach and the amount of people that is going to benefit, it will be a lasting legacy for the community of Salford.